JCB is the manufacturer, a worldwide manufacturer of construction equipment. And we at Northland are a separate company, but we represent JCB construction equipment. It's a very competitive industry now compared to 33 years ago when I get into it. Not that it wasn't competitive then, but the competition and what customers expect from an equipment dealer have grown exponentially. The key is to just make sure you have what the customer needs when he needs it and provide a really good service. That's how you keep the customers, that's how you win them over in the first place. JCB presented us with the opportunity to engage with Syncron. If we have the parts the customers need when we need them, that is going to leave very happy and satisfied customers who will become repeat customers, not only on parts, but on machines. If you're an owner of a excavator, and when your machine goes down and you call the dealer, us in this case, and they have the part, 9 out of 10 times you call, that's going to leave you with a warm and fuzzy feeling. And Syncron helps put us in that position to have the parts here when our customers call. And then down the road, when he's deciding on his next piece of equipment he's going to buy, in the back of his mind, he's saying, Northland had what I needed and was there for me when I called. The technology has picked up on the parameters that say this part is trending. You need to have it in stock now. Syncron is very good at picking up on trending items, and that's what I need because sure, the 10th guy down the road, you figured it out by then. But if you're the first, second, third, fourth customer coming for a part and their machine's down in the middle of the road or on a job site, you don't want someone to tell you, well, we weren't really ready for you yet. We didn't know this was going to be a part that everyone would need. This is a stock order efficiency is a metric we watch, and Syncron has helped immensely with that. I'd like to dig deeper into the Syncron system because I'm sure it can help me more than it already does. I would absolutely recommend it. And one of the things we had thought of when we took on the Syncron system is spreading it out to our other lines. We always had in the back of our mind that down the road, we might, as we expand and we take on other brands of equipment besides JCB, we may expand its role to be used for those other lines.